Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm really excited because in today's video, I'm sharing a new series and I'm also sharing a new brand with you guys. So if you want to know more about how you can reduce your waste, then just keep watching. Okay, so I share so many things about like non-toxic products and how to choose clean beauty inside the ingredients and things like that, but I haven't really shared much about how to live more sustainably, how to live with less waste, less plastic, and so I'm going to start doing that. I have so many things that I want to talk about because really there are so many things that we can be doing to help the earth, to help the oceans. But one of the major things is to reduce plastic. Obviously, I think everyone knows that, but not quite sure like the different ways that we can do that. And one of them is by shampoo bottles. Shampoo is something we use every single day between either me, my husband, the girls, the dog, like everyone uses shampoo every single day. So it's one of the, when you're looking at things to do like this and how to reduce your waste or like your carbon footprint, think about things that you do daily and things that you use every single day. So shampoo is one of those, so this was an easy one for us to think about. I have my notes in front of me because these numbers are like crazy. So we produce over 300 million tons of plastic each year. And half of that is plastic that is used for single-use purposes like water bottles, shampoo bottles, and things like that. So that is crazy, 300 million tons, and half of it is just disposable stuff that we just throw away after using once. And then more than 8 million tons of plastic are dumped into the oceans every year. That is just disgusting. It's terrible. So that's why I'm doing this. That's why I'm starting this series. I think it's super important, and I think that taking small steps like this are important. It might seem like something super overwhelming, like I can't do anything to help that. Like what am I gonna do by just using metal straws or whatever? But taking these small steps is what is going to help, and then again, and spreading the word too. So we just recently came across Spring and Vine. They make shampoo bars. So if you've been following me for a while, you should know that I love bar soaps. I use them all the time. I always share new ones, but not shampoo bars. So I'm really excited about this. They are just more like obviously eco-friendly, they're easier to travel with, and I always share my tip on bars of soap that, so some of them you have to kind of heat up in the microwave for a few seconds, but you can just chop these up and divide them. That way you can put one in each of the bathrooms. You can travel with the smaller sizes better, but that's kind of just my little tip. I think it makes the bar last longer. Did I already say that? But anyways, that's what we like to do. I've always used bar soap in like instead of like regular body washes, mainly because they're made better. They're made with better ingredients. They don't have synthetic ingredients or chemicals or toxins. But Spring and Vine doesn't either. They have 4 different ones, and I'll go over each of these or each of the scents and why they're really good for your hair. They're like formulated very purposefully. They're like, they have ingredients that are really good. So but also it's less, so it's 95% less plastic and 90% less water. So if you think about it, when you buy a regular bottle of shampoo, it's water mainly, that's like the #1 ingredient, and plastic. So you're wasting water and also just wasting plastic, throwing away garbage. So these are all non-toxic and all of that, all of the things that you want to look for. Sulfates, parabens, silicones, dyes, phthalates, mineral oil, and then also, this is the big one, synthetic fragrance. So there are lots of these on the market. And when you're looking for anything clean beauty, you want to make sure they don't have synthetic fragrance. That is one that most companies just kind of skim over. They use fragrance, which that is a big no-no. So these are made without fragrance, which I love. This one is the tea tree and mint. So I will go over the ingredients and why these are cool. So tea tree and mint, mint is just super, I love minty and tingly, cooling hair products. I love that. It's good for your scalp. And tea tree, what did I put? It's antimicrobial, antifungal, And tea tree helps with dandruff, which I get that in the winter, so I'm really excited to have this on hand for then. If it's gone, it'll probably be gone by winter. Who am I kidding? But I'll buy another one, specifically for winter. And it smells so good. I love that one. The next one is the Balance Clean. This is lavender and orange, and Emery's 2 all-time favorite essential oils are lavender and orange. And this smells so good. She is going to love this one. Anytime I ask her what she wants in her diffuser, what roller she wants, it's lavender and orange. So she loves that. And I like that combo because it can either be relaxing or it can be like uplifting, because orange is kind of both, and so is lavender. So I love that one. The next one is Grapefruit Rosemary. This probably is my favorite. I love how it smells, and I also love that it has rosemary because I already add that to all of my hair care products. I'm doing a video soon on my hair. It kind of went through this thing where I was shedding so much that I clogged the shower like twice a month, and it was like kind of scary actually. So I took some huge steps and did a lot of things to stop my hair loss. I think it was postpartum and stress related. But anyways, rosemary was one of the things that I started using regularly, and it promotes hair growth. So it smells amazing, and also hair growth, like who can't use that? And then the last one is the moisturizing. This is the oatmeal one, and I love this one for Zara because she has eczema. And so she already uses products with oatmeal in them. She has an oatmeal bath soak, and her lotions have oatmeal as well. And so this is just a good addition. She has to be really careful with what soaps that she uses and what like bath products. So this is going to be really good for her. Let me see if it smells. It doesn't smell like much. I don't think it has any fragrance or any essential oils at all, which is also good. She really like can't use anything extra. So I love that they have this option, especially for her. Okay, so those are all of the different scents and how they kind of benefit you differently. I'm really excited about these. I hope you guys can tell. I'm really excited about this series as well because there are so many things that we can be doing to help our planet Earth and our oceans and just so many things. If you have any questions on any of the shampoo bars, let me know. You can get them at Target, which is like the most exciting part. Just grab one on your next Target trip. Okay guys, to wrap up this video, I'm just gonna give you a couple more just small tips. Like again, I said, just small things that you do, little tiny changes overall make a big impact. So a couple other things that you can be doing. Don't use plastic straws. I'm sure you've seen that everywhere. That's a really big one. Don't use plastic water bottles. So instead use reusable cups for your reusable water jugs. What am I trying to say? Don't use plastic cups or plastic cutlery, plastic knives and forks and spoons. Do not use plastic shopping bags. There are so many cute and different options for like reusable shopping bags, so don't use the plastic ones. And if you have to use a bag at the store, use paper. Use a bamboo toothbrush. Plastic toothbrushes are a big one that I didn't even think about, and so I loved that tip. Don't use disposable plastic razors. There are bamboo and metal options for those as well. And then for mamas, use cloth diapers. I know that's harder or easier said than done. Or also cloth wipes or reusable wipes. So that's another option. But that is it. I hope you learned something. Let me know what tips you have or what things and changes you've been doing to help planet Earth. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching my video. I would love if you subscribed. I try to do 1 to 2 videos each week, and I also talk about like makeup, clean living, so I do cleaning videos and all kinds of mom life. We also have a puppy, so I do some videos with her and tips on that too. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.